Hey YouTube, this is NBF Graham. We're here doing a deck profile of windups. I'm sure that you guys have seen this so many times before, but this time I'm sure I have this deck all figured out. I've had switched it like 4 different times, but I think now I have it down pat. So let's start with the monsters first. I have 3 rats, of course, because these are essential for the deck. I have 3 sharks because you need 3 sharks too to use with the rats. I only have 2 of the rabbits to have it banished, whatever, and then I have it brought back to life next turn. And then I use 1 hunter because that's all I actually need is 1 for the hand loop. I use 2 magicians, and for the non-wind-up monsters I have 2 guide. I got 3 of those, and I have a same game to use with the 2 guides. I have 1 BLS and then 1 Gauze, because with BLS you have the single end, which is dark, you have the 2 guides, which is dark, and then you have the Veilers, which are light, which to summon that really easily I was banished. And hand traps only have 3 effect Veilers for the hand traps for beer matches and for Injectors and Dino things, decks with a Dino Rabbit and an Eversword and stuff, so the Veilers are for that. And then for the spells, I only run 2 factories because I know I have 3 out, and if I have 2, 1 always gets destroyed with the MST and the other one never dies for some reason. I don't know why. And then for more spells I have Book of Moon to moon their monster when it's summoned, so it can use effect like exceeds or whatever. Use it on Leviathan.